What is the difference between real and virtual images? How can you create real and virtual images with lenses and mirrors? These are the questions students will explore in Investigation 21B, Creating Real and Virtual Images with Lenses. Lenses and mirrors can create either real or virtual images. Real images can be projected onto a piece of paper or a screen, while virtual images can be seen but not projected. Students will explore geometries that create real and virtual images using concave and convex lenses and mirrors. In Part 1, they will use a converging lens to create both real and virtual images. In Part 2, they will form images using a concave lens and both concave and convex mirrors. In Part 1, your students will investigate light rays passing through a convex lens and find the image using a screen. In your kit, you will find an LED light, a convex lens with a focal length of 200 millimeters, and a screen. You will also need a track and lens holders to mount the lens and screen. We begin by mounting the light source on the track near one end and turning on the LEDs. This will be the object that is projected through the convex lens and onto the screen. For our first measurement, we will move the convex lens so it is 60 centimeters from our object. Adjust the screen so the image is in focus. In Data Table 1 on your student sheet, record that you found a real image, because you could project it on the screen. Move the lens closer to the LED object in 5 centimeter increments. Each time adjusting the screen to find the image and to bring it into focus. In and out. Once your object distance is within 2 focal lengths of your lens, you will have to look further away for your image. When the object distance equals the focal length, there will be no image. And when the object distance is less than the focal length, the image is virtual. That is, it cannot be projected onto a screen. In Part 2, we will repeat our experiment with a concave lens and with concave and convex mirrors. For the concave lens, start with an object distance of 60 centimeters and look for a real image that you can project onto a screen, continuing to reduce the object distance while looking for the image, which can't be found. For the mirrors, I created a half screen from the clear acrylic using an index card to cover half of it. The concave lens and the convex mirror have only virtual images, while the image from the concave mirror depends on the object distance. The concave mirror creates a real image when the object distance is greater than the focal length.